Welcome back to another tutorial of Excel is easy with Nav. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential functions in Excel, the SUM function. Whether you're managing your personal budget or analyzing business data, the SUM function can save you a lot of time. Let's get started. The SUM function is used to add up numbers in a range of cells. Instead of manually adding each number, you can use this function to quickly get the total. Let's use the same sales performance data that we used in our conditional formatting tutorial. Having said that, if you have not watched that tutorial, please do so. You should be able to see a card in top right corner, which will take you there. Let's continue with our data. You see we have got total sales data in column G. But this sales data is not linked to individual quarter sales, which means if there is any change or update needed in respect of any of the quarterly sales data, your respective total sales would not change. So you will have to update the total sales manually as well. This is not as efficient as it could be, and if you are dealing with a large data set, there is a fair chance that you may forget to update the total sales separately. That is why your output data should be automated, and you can do so by adding each quarter's sale manually, as you can see on the screen. But this would take a long time, and there is still a chance of error if you forget to include any cell, especially if you are summing a large dataset like your monthly expenses, for example. SUM function is a perfect choice to save time and eliminate chances of errors here. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Type equal, sum, and then open parenthesis and select the range of cells you want to add, and close the parenthesis. Voila, you have your total. Since we have a total sales figure for Alice now, rather than applying SUM function separately to each employee's sales data, we can simply copy cell G5 and paste it across all the way to G9. Or you can click on cell G5 and move your cursor to bottom right square icon, which is called fill handle, and double-click when see a black plus sign. Within seconds, you have total sales data for each employee. Now, if you update any of the quarterly sales data, your respective sales total will change automatically. It looks pretty smart, isn't it? You can also use the AutoSum button, which is even quicker. Just select the cell below your column of numbers and press Alt plus equal. Excel will automatically insert the SUM function for you. However, this only works with columns, and if there is any empty cell in that column, you may have to drag the range to include the entire data in that column. Let's delete data from cell F7 and then try to apply AutoSum in cell F10. You will see the range just stop before F7. In this case, click on the little square icon in top right corner of Range Array and then drag it upward to select the entire data in column F and press Enter. And there you have it. Now it's your turn. Try using the SUM function on your own data. Pause the video and give it a go. To recap, the SUM function is a powerful tool that can save you time and reduce errors. In our next video, we'll explore another essential Excel function. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you next time.